Hey you guys, I am back again, same outfit as my last video, of course, because I'm filming a couple videos today. So today I actually got my Sephora Play Box. It just came in today. This one is for, what month is it? It's March, right? Yes, March. All right, you guys, so here's our Sephora Play Box for March. Here is the little paper we get with it. It says Beauty in the Wild. This is so cute. Kind of looks like it's geared towards a kindergartner, but it's still pretty cute. And here is our bag. It's purple, which is one of my favorite colors. Next to pink, which by the way, if you haven't seen exactly how I dyed my hair this color, go ahead and check up the video, whichever corner it's going to show up in, and check that video out. And the back of this says, good things come to those who play. So I just dumped everything out on my table, and as you guys probably remember, I was a little bit disappointed in February's box. I usually am, like February's box usually isn't that good. But in March, it looks like we may have improved just a little bit. It's kind of that way with Sephora Play Boxes. It's like I get really crappy box and I'm like, maybe I should cancel, and then the next box is good. Why that happens, I don't know. But first up in this box, we get the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Nude Glow. Now this one is a repeat. We have had this before. It's okay for priming, but it's not great. This is one of those things that I kind of view as a, it's the last thing I have in my drawer. I'm going to go ahead and use it. It's okay. And if I remember, it smells really good. But let me see. Does it have a safety seal or no? Oh, no. Yeah, it smells like coconut sunscreen. And here's what it looks like. And it's just... Ooh, it actually looks slightly less shimmery. Like, it used to be more shimmery. Oh, okay, now it looks a bit more on camera. It's very thin, very creamy. It feels almost slightly oily. So, it's up to you. You can try it on your skin, see what you think of it. It's not one of those I would be like, ooh, I love this, but it's okay. Not one of my favorite products from Glam Glow. I will say that, though. Next, we have our sample, which is one of my favorite things, and this actually does match my hair. This is Versace Bright Crystal. This is one of my very favorite scents ever. I actually got a full size of this from my mom for Christmas. Thank you so much. I love it. It's amazing. Like, the bottle's gorgeous, and it smells like heaven. But I'm always happy to see samples of these because when, you know, we're actually allowed out of the house again, I can use these when I travel or throw one in my emergency makeup bag. That way I have one with me because I wear the scent so much. It smells so good. It's like citrus with a touch of floral, really fresh, really pretty. But it's not like heavy. It's a very bright, light scent, and I love that a lot. I like really light scents. All right, let's see, which one's next? This is the Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. Amika stuff is okay. Part of my problem is all these samples are so small, I haven't been able to use any product I've gotten from them more than once or twice to really tell what I think about it. So I think I need to like go and buy some of their full-size products to see what I really think, because you only get a couple things out of this. Like, if I remember correctly, their dry shampoo was decent. I haven't tried this particular texture spray before though, but I definitely will because I love, especially when I have a bright pastel color in my hair, doing really messy textured looks. So I'm happy to give that a try. Ooh. Okay, so this is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I think I've tried this before, but if I did, it was years ago. And I think it was the brown one, not the black one, if I remember correctly. But I think I've tried this before, and I think I liked it. I can't remember those. So I'm very happy to see this though, because all of my black eyeliners are just on that line of we are almost empty and you can barely use us. So this is in Intense Black. This is a felt tip liner. I do prefer brush tips, but if I remember, yeah, this is a pretty soft felt tip. Oh my goodness, you guys, that is black. Yes. And it is not feathering on my skin. That is huge because like the NYX, I don't know what they call it, but the liner that NYX is always promoting, their black eyeliner, is really, really black like this, except it feathers like crazy on my skin. If I swatch that on my hand, it will literally like bleed and feather into everything. Let me see, can I get really fine? Ooh, that's not bad. I can get pretty fine line with this too, so I am very excited to give this a shot. I will actually be adding that into my makeup stuff right away and start using that because I'm super excited to have a liner that actually has some actual product in it. We have 2 more products. One from NARS. We all know I'm super excited to see NARS in these boxes. I love their stuff. This is the Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Star Woman. Okay, I love their lip products. I will say their lip products tend to dry out. This one's like wet. It's almost like oily on the outside. Is the box like oily? You know what? The inside of the cap is slightly oily too. I wonder if some of the oils in the product leached out. I don't know. That's slightly concerning. Okay, but here's what it looks like. It is a super bright red, which is one of the bad things about having pink hair again. Red lipstick does not look great with pink hair. So I'm going to swatch this. Ooh, yep, you know what? That's where the oils are from. They actually leached out of the product. Look at that. Wow. Holy cow, is that pigmented? That's insane. So you guys know I absolutely love the Sephora's matte liquid lipstick because it dries down and it doesn't make your lips go all puckery. They still look really full and it lasts forever. I want to see if this does that. I mean, it says matte, but man, that has like a lot of oil in it. What could have leached out of there? I have no idea looking at the ingredients what leached out of there. So it looks like it's drying down though. I'm just giving it a minute. Drying down more, almost done. Ooh, okay, so it does transfer once it's dried down, at least on my hand, but it dries down really nice. Now, because it dries down like that, but still transfers, I'm wondering if this won't function. It looks very similar to the Sephora red matte lip that I like. So I will definitely be giving this a shot because I love red lipstick. Just cleaning it off of my hand so I don't get it everywhere. And I'm always looking for something that performs like that Sephora one because that one's really, really good. But I always forget to buy it or they don't have it available in store. So I'm always looking for other brands, other companies that have similar products. Of course, Sephora brand will be cheaper than NARS, but I just love NARS and the packaging. Oh, the packaging. Okay. We have one last thing, and it's from Fresh. I love seeing stuff from Fresh in here. I was joking about how I wanted to see some Fresh makeup last month. I meant Fresh like new, which we got with the NARS and the Stila. That's awesome. But we also got Fresh makeup. We got another sugar lip treatment. This is their Mint Rush lip treatment. I think this is new or newer. I haven't seen this before, and I freaking love Mint. Okay, it says their freshening lip treatment. This is what it looks like. I love this packaging, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, that is just so pretty. Okay, so it's just like all their other lip treatments where it comes in this tube, and if you've heard me complain about this before, the lip treatments in these tubes, let me show you. I'm actually wearing a sugar lip treatment today. I'm wearing the Rosé lip treatment. These are so freaking soft that they're supposed to be in a stick form, but they end up just smooshing down into the tube, and you have to be really careful with them because they will get everywhere because they're so soft and moisturizing. So here's what this one looks like. Well, it's still a nice, pretty package. It's green. I highly doubt this will look green on your lips. I'm going to check on my hand though. It probably won't. No, it just goes on clear, which is great actually. And it smells like mint, which probably means it tastes like mint, and I love mint everything. Yes, I'm one of those weird people who likes mint chocolate chip ice cream. If you're with me and you love mint chocolate chip ice cream, please let me know down in the comments below. You can also let me know if you think I'm crazy and no one should eat it, because I understand people have different opinions. But it's one of the things that me and my husband first bonded over when we were dating was our love of mint chocolate chip ice cream. So there's that. Anyway, you guys, let me go over everything we got in our box real quick. We got the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. We got the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. We got the Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. Versace Bright Crystal, one of my favorite perfumes ever. The NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Star Woman. And the Fresh Sugar Mint Rush Lip Treatment. So, least favorite, Glam Glow. Probably least favorite. Again, primers, I have so many, it's ridiculous. Most favorite? Probably the Stila. Just because I already have a full size of Versace, I always love getting it, and I really want to try that Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment, but I've been needing a functional black eyeliner. So for that fact alone, this is my favorite. I can't wait to try it. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, or at least found it somewhat entertaining and distracting right now. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm pretty much everywhere, and I upload new videos a couple times a week at a minimum, sometimes more. And I'm really active on Twitter and my Instagram stories, so if you want to know more about me and my daily life, that's a good place to find me. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!